Hello everyone, welcome to Can Family Adventures. So today guys, we are in SM Mall to go to the H&M to buy some swimsuit attire. So we are picking our outfits and Tita has picking her outfit and I was thinking what would I get to my outfit in swimsuit. So we are now in the cashier to pay the bills. Of course, we are so grateful for the generosity for giving us the money to pay our swimsuit attire. We are really thankful to you, Dad, for buying our stuff today. So we are walking just to go to the supermarket to pick some things and food. Look how Jairus lucky is to be at Dad's shoulder. All throughout our time in SMC side, now we are back in our hotel and go to the 5th floor to go to the swimming pool. So now let's go guys! But first we need to put our stuff on the cabana and benches. I really love this. We pick a cabana. It's so comfy and so relaxing when you go there. Look at me guys. Oh yeah, I really love it. I picked this one. So Daddy and Jairus jumped to the pool straight ahead. Look how happy and enjoying they are at the pool. So look at the filingera. They're so happy enjoying the pool with the daughter and the father and the son. Look how happy we are, and we are so happy in the pool because it's so nice and refreshing. They are. Look at me guys. Now we are going to 4 feet into another side of the pool because it's nice and deep. So look at my tita, very know how to swim. I don't know that how to do because I like looking a frog to swim. Man kan bisayon na ni nako kapoy na ko ani. So maana na dairon nga swimming may dihali pa kayo may nami dire daghan kayo. Nice kang view dire guys kung makaari mo. Nice kang view. Midan naglingaw-lingaw ra mi dire. Shout out ko sa untig video diha nga akong mami. Amo din niya akong daddy og si Jairus nagpadaplin dito kay maglayat lagi daw si Jairus. Uy, na lipay kayang duha kay nangaligo kasi Jairus dili jud na siya anad maligo swimming pool kay mahadlok daw lagi siya. Nagikugos ra siya sa iyang papa na maon na na nagligo-ligo rami. Nice kay ang tubig ang awang tita. Nagsiksi-siksi na da sa kilid. Ginahan lagi daw kayo siya. Padaplin sa daw siya. Awa na. Nangatol na. So, dira guys. So, kami ni Jairus diha kay pisik-pisik rami tubig diha. Human, tanawa mi diha. Kiat kami. Bisag dako na. Kiat ng gihapon. Mura gihapog bata. Tanawa kami Jairus. Si Jairus gikugos. Radyo na siya sa among daddy kay si Jairus di lagi siya kaabot kay 4 feet lagi ang tubig. Magyapas na ako si Jairus. Human si Jairus sigig pamisik na mo. Jairus sigig pamisik sa kuha. Namo na diya si Jairus ni barog na ni duol na sa kamera. Hala, lipay kayo ang bata o tanawang naong. Kato ding ni barog si Jairus yat gisugo dito sa kong daddy nga ipapisik si mami. Si mami ritig video ra na mo tanawa mi ni tita. Sige ra miliko diha sige mig. Kuan miya na niya ka ng lumbaan na kasi ginaka kuan makatos layo man ako may napildi kay di lagi ko kabalo mo langoy lagi ka ng katumrang pinabaki ako ha. Na ngauna na tita. Thank you for watching our family's vlog. Thank you kaayo. Hinaut na inyo ming i-follow. And thank you for watching Can Family's Vlog Adventures. See you soon!